Yama mnyina watching my baby Emfa Emra Bedwem Tumedi so on Adom TV. Live on DSTV channel 280, Go TV channel 119, Multi TV Nick Boss and so when you share live and so on. We stream on our social media platforms. Okwa search for Adom TV Extra on Facebook and Adom TV on YouTube. Medidi akwesi in Mpensenpensenmu and Edro so na on the brighter side of life. Let me say happy belated birthday and confirm Matilda Asare, Kumawood star, Ghanaian actress. Matilda Asare na enra wawuda. We wish you all the best. Nyame onshraw. No nyo kese ko isi obeye kese pa. Then also happy birthday confirm Abna Dakuam. HR ya wo JL Properties Limited. Enti Abna we free. Wanga say you adam for bibia Alfred. Ya ope National Treasurer or NPP amyokum. But also happy birthday to Kanyi to Kantoma who was Savannah region and our birthday. Wow, happy birthday, bro. Sinyami enchira no makuma sedi nyina emremo enfama. After so ope National Treasurer no. Who does ope National Treasurer? Who does ope National Treasurer? Yamisha na pe. Yamisha onsha minua abena. Odine birthday any Kantama. Kantama de friend no Alaji Napko. E was Savannah. Savannah region ho. Yamisha munina. Na nyamiso umfa me bisa ensha kese ma me papa. Me penny Dr. Alaji Mahmoud Baumia. Wojuma kesi a odi no ho. Weekend yo call banda. No starting the campaign so kakra wo ho. And the euphoria ye dey geno no hu say nyame hira no. I keep on saying one thing. Me say wo aben mu a na wo call election a. The election is about the referendum of Juma Waye for the last 4 years. Wo opposition na wo call election a. It's about the candidate a wo dey by na ideas a or dey ba. Now we share ideas even say Uko Bank of Ghana near there omo bonus sombo wo ho the good for forex or the bar ho we call energy near there wo hu the good for oil and menua no omo use ebo omo. It stabilizes the currency from time to time and it helps you to put a drive into where you want to head towards. Okay. I will share interoperability in there strong. Nancy Ampo Mati say yen papa or office of the vice president no about how interoperability has helped the system and bridged funding through various means. Nti ye ka say ye pe obi a or the ideas come into practicality a creative avenues and jobs for people Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia. Okay. And he's the Moses of our time. He's the one who Yankopon Adom was reno ongoa or yes strongwa and ye kasa ye nim say or no obetumi the unity or the obi and kambom or the party no mama party no aye strong kombium. Yes, there are challenges in the party. I mean, when you lose an election this way, definitely ube who say want you pi beba. People will say so many things. They will blame everybody. But what about Abeka say, listen, we had challenges. We worked a lot. Yeah, juma P. But at the end of it, no, definitely once you are working and you are working hard, you step on toes. You do things that will not please people. When we had all the global challenges, no, in fact, Ghana for Ibimu Bufu any idea. Do time there, yes, yes, ministers ni bini idea bufu baye. And it made people vote, even our own people. Say Ebiana Yenti. And these are lessons I use. No, say. I mean, at the end of it, we have admitted where we erred. Na ye bisa say, because at the end of the day, I liked one thing also, and the thing that kept on going in my mind is that we should never forget as politicians, we are here to serve. We are not here to enrich ourselves. We are not here to make things the drive for digitalization wasn't for nothing. One thing I make I say, Dr. Meeting an officer here, I'll say, Alfred, you say, NDC free, so much near there, you're bending them court every day. na ye ni omo ko NDC ba omo say MPP hey omo wie sika ma na ye nam court. What can we do to stop this? We have to digitalize our system. Until by the time I will start to say, oh, yeah, baby, no. Now, if your auditor be or to miss the trail, no stop you from doing it. We should put measures in place. You can always chill and see someone doing wrong. And now you can do things because if you don't digitalize your system, and it's the same way, the same thing will come again. Because we could discuss boom, yes, that is not what we want to do.
Okay.
Let us put measures in place for us to build a country so that our children and our children's children will come and enjoy. It's made that Dr. Mahmoud Bomi, I say, I mean, I mean, so my president, I wish them well in whatever they are doing.
Harold Napo, Deputy Managing Director at Metro Mass Transit, and still Eastern Regional Youth Organizer.
Former organizer, yes.
Have you resigned?
Oh, long time.
Okay. He's also in charge of operations.
Apo Bokore. Obodi Nyankopon Adaroma, or the Menquacha.
Metro Mass Boko.
Oh, Nyankopon Adom. Adom Mpeni Mahamasi. Mpeni de Sabuta Frache. Ya ka vision and vision obukum. Atun say vision and kasa no any mujam any DNA. It is a 2 million banners or so more or yamani ye.
Okay.
On one the team made 115 buses, it may generate about 15 million Ghana cedis. The highest ever in the history of Ghana. Even when I knew route to highest buses when in Ghana. Osha transformative policies are on Metro Mass here introduced. I think sir, like the last time I can be Europe for the chassis free here. The Queen Yami and Unipaya de outside. Osha Europe for that Sumiaso, Adishadi who knows Unyae. Our date Metro Mass no. Sanka, the Queen Yami, yet twice sa can the Metro Mass new Vigina. Europe for the last me can bear 500 buses. Europe Mahama and the Wilson so by the additional 500 buses. And Europe Mahama Samba beaming. The vision, they say, a few inquisi a few best Simon 1,000 buses. 1,000 buses, you bring Twitter Costa Womb, you bring Twitter HCB, and Chebesan Sonia Isuzu buses. So, Brunia can the transport space, no, a Volvo. Want to mean for bus 10, 60 seat and go sit terminal point for an apart. Could say we are going to Yama, will be over Sabata fracture, or per bus if you could food ya abankra within 1 hour. Will be a teacher, will be a nurse, will be a Jumani. Within short space of time, no. Oma the bus tintin as a better chance and I am more best of a bus for. And obviously in there can hona share Sabata fracture, dissuading whom or Mpeni Mahama. When you are say 15 seater, 20 seater, and a Isuzu so 29 seater. A beam and your bus be a case to me buses a robust, so Brunia cano. A bit me meaty yaquine, your rules in the environmental condition. Uncle fight electronic buses and man or chna, a mamma your house, sending you on a coffee bar. Previously, and the buses now acquire Conton Crew near Aquasa Metro Mass Kumua, acquire how they are my. Okay. Almost on quantity me and Kunya Cofa Bassa. Bass or Munya de bar. Spare parts a cry, I saw the spare part not to buy you. Not a ticket at Cochana, knock of a spare parts number. You know, quantity me as Ancunyano. But I believe saying Uncle will be dread question beside me. Metro Mass, be Europe for the chassis. Most Mahama betwaso. Yeah. I'm Mahama na mu asaba bi mu die. Baby ye ko die. Yankopon Adom so far so good.
Yeah, they are amazing. From in franchise, I want to say medical. This issue of corruption in our nation. And so I'm kind to be honest, I can say I don't want to believe say give to our Modi and Yanokre. I want to take it say
I also don't want to believe it.
Charges,
yeah. I don't want to believe
because if the 600 million Ghana cedis power has been swept under the carpet, now state agencies ain't me on cover. Now it will take a private institution to uncover it. No crap there. Then it means that come out behind your Ghana, bro.
But that's it. Me no or Casano started fine about Metro Mass. It's your no na or ya say no. Politicians, we keep on blaming each other. One but we benya buses that will na there now who can say a far part, the equator part or a China. And a part to me go a phone umpo. You can Google and buy any part worldwide. I didn't say what the show bag man or China. na just open say for business class called China. And these are the ways are a big coin for corruption. Oh, let's not do this to ourselves. Yeah, man, every day na yeah politician. Remember, and me can be bien friend and me say a praise will government say I'm even praying for Mahama and President Mahama and Jaina no Pukwajima to succeed, because almost failure it will affect the whole country, and I'm included. The mere fact of succeeding in chair say 4 years no do don't be a referendum on them. Don't be a referendum. And when politicians to start understanding one thing, yet the mantle nation will say, you are supposed to serve the people. Nyankopon aye wadom say we you wo say wo bra bet na ho and serve our people. When you say bra na bebo krono, we need to understand this and understand it well. And we say ye can yempini for normal can da say obia de wejumem de wudidi kakra wo. There are certain benefits a wunya kwesi wetin na ha no wunya. I can give you one. It's like food. Sometimes simple ejumem bi wo ho a ye serve lunch e be more house boy, house girl, then cook, ye be more a watchman, ye be more watchman mponi ade nyina. Others are not getting it. These are benefits you get from it. So when they give you the chance to serve the people, serve them with your whole heart. Don't go and sit down na first na obedwe and say, hey, na buki ameye, mama cookie bibi nche na so minya bibi wechi. It won't help the country. Don't forget, so what do you want to see the can be bia. The other person would also have to make sure that they recoup that money.
Yeah.
And it doesn't only end with politicians, though. Even in the marketplaces. Say makola ni wukoto ade 10 cedis. Na say woton no ebia 12 cedis. Now we profit aye 2 cedis. Now instead of selling it for 12 cedis no, wukoto on the 20 cedis because we person onya profit kese now we profit here 8 cedis. At the end of the day no, ni pakroso otina echie no, ono so de ne de ebetum. So everybody will be cheating everybody. Now you're saying sika. And sika say the whole country is getting bad. Because obi ntia say why I say okosua adwuma na oba na obi ti ho na odi 80 display aka na eyi hu. Ukoto phone na sometimes you are more fake phone and you are more phone na ebia enye up to standard. Meanwhile you are paying for up to standard phone. These are little things society no. Ghana na first year ntesa. Now because we've opened up for all investments and other things no, you see all sort of characters also enjoying and coming in to destroy the nation. We have to stand up and say ye jai and say ye shena ye make sure say they be mbaba. They can look up to us and say oh me papa wo ha no there na krono bo wonye bida. And I come back to your issue. I want to believe and I hope and I believe say at the end of it the court will exonerate them. Say krono bo bian koso sa. Because I mean 600 million, I don't want to accept and appreciate say omo ye baby sir. No. I know Gifty very well. Very lovely lady near, they're very hardworking. And I don't believe say Obetumi could raise casa. No, I will stand up for her. And I believe that the courts will deal with the issue. Konobia wombia, it will come out. But as I sit here today, no, it can't happen. It can't happen. But that comes back to say now the onus is on them to live up to expectation. Say omina jitum say digital drive no ebeboa. They should tighten every corner for all these little things. Sometimes what you wouldn't say obi betumi abokro no wa say obedwen say ye bedwen say ye.
Yeah.
I remember one time and I put it I'll mention the school. But baby, I'm a head war one time be. Na or share admissions near there. And when it comes to admission, you're buano near there. Na one of the junior staff or more be a chance be a woba a wohona or admission. Na ya share say, I mean, baby, we age my word here. Wo baba school even though we a cleaner now, we a cook now we a now we baso school kesia ebe yenede. So she gave people the chance. Yes, she na echi nkrofo ton sa slots near there. Now I can say, oh, and I'm and I'm my sister ban, and my sister woo, you know, me na me share ban in the idea. And there was one particular one. Now all pushing. Now mommy said no, she wasn't happy about what was going on. Say the we are all pushing, there's something behind it. No, say this admission no here. The chine ko PS sana ni pakuna ko Jessica. E woni pakuno ska kesi o. E na all pushing for admission say ni nua ba ye de abre no. Nti ono no hwe eba no. Nti yes ano and it uncovered the thing, the syndicate or the whole area na ekoso wo ho. And then they had to stop this. But this was a great opportunity. Say wo ye adwuma wo baby. Also at least obenya to say metro sa no. If metro staff omo ye adwuma ni ye na adwuma ne gina ne nan so you can say all metro staff momba mo for bus na mo betumi for free because these are some of the benefits you can gain from your organization. But before you can get that, and say also making sure say we ye adwuma ni ye.
But I say the question has always been say me boss or what car or what fuel or what accommodation or what all other benefit. Despite BBR, quote unquote, or say we are eduman. How can I? Yeah, me manage 2,000 cedis, and una make you rent free. Me transportation room, me medicals room, me ma edidi room. Me that me a patriotic to eduman mayor. In all honesty. Not just on the moral ground, say no matter what, you have to be principled to eduman.
In all honesty, who say o boss e bokrono wo you have to come out and report it. Yes. Come out and report it.
Sacrifice.
No. Let them sacrifice you. Be the sacrificial lamb. Say, yeah, you know, here report here. Who would they sack? Who can they transfer? Everybody is reporting, say, what you are doing is wrong. Journalists near doing in Abim, you think that anyone can touch you?
Because if you look at the way you're politicizing Yema, and see a boy obedient under His Excellency John Dramani Mama Abemu, say, Wabokrono say ya. And this Sinibia or Tipaga, only evidence, only massive. Once office say ye end this nim kwando sorry akasa. Ayano kre MP before the two and for the two. It is said but who it me as afini aba ka just see a catch them say mo ba ye mo pam MP before the major MP before no bottom. How can you survive in such an environment?
That is why America say when we all come out, especially people working within, don't forget sir, who ye juma wo ho, and I'll use Metro because it's convenient. Otihanu, we use that as an example. Otina Hanu say Metro egua no so.
Sure.
Say Metro gua mustache strength ya
1,500.
1,500 people are going to lose their jobs. They won't even get something to eat. Because musika say, one ogoje no Metro na egu. Metro mas na egu. But we ye ni year. And I keep on telling, when I was working, I keep on telling my staff, I say, listen, it's not every time say we say increase salaries. In a year they say yo. Because when I increase salary, me increase it by 20%. Across board. Me so me dey be through by 20%. So I get more than you still. But the truth is that in that particular time, no, doesn't meet the convenience. Say income no, doesn't match the amount we want to pay you. What extra thing have we done? Or have we built upon to make sure that we get more income? Yet be making sure say be drive ejumano. People should go into jobs and then in Nanteba joy and I'm in Nanteba Adom. Now me be ejuma. I should see Adom as my company. Me ye Adom ye mami sumenya bibi DFM. And I should do it wholeheartedly. Okay. Say me who say wa betina ha na wo ye bibia enya. I should call you to order. I can even tell you after the show say Akwesi, and then there we ye there and ye. Well, yes, sir, your viewership will go down. Even people will stop coming here. So, Mujaiba, can I come and sit here and chat with you? No. And ye. Okay. Let us all get involved. It is not Nipa Bako country, but you can get only one leader at a point in time. You can get only one minister in charge of a certain sector at a point in time. Minister Nebeko will be for Beba. Touchwood, minister who were now, Yabeshi will be for fresh and name. So, when you are working now, work the first thing I make a chairman will say before I leave this place I should leave a mark of excellence. Me kwa then dinner ebe to me abo say Alfred ba no
okay
or to me be A B C D ma ene ye de kai Alfred.
Okay,
that is how people should work.
Abo
Minya, medasi bebre. Say, I can understand where he's coming from. Adwuma na waje no eso. No krenya me anim. Say, mefa dawu basi issue na me so raise yes ba bia me koye no. Me say na onte hwasi. Reasons in say me say the kind of transaction na banya breso. A permit the acquisition of those dawu bases no. Ebia na onim bebre so nimu a I largely associate with him. Maybe or shall see free. Since be on my gun nedru no. Say on my ni mu gidie na se yi en se meso mo man a. Ye ni yakoma mu nyina ni adwe mu nimdie nyina mfa so mo man no. Na ye na se yi a sebe eso mfa so no. Enkomma oman timamfo no nko a. Ye so mpanifo no so affect ye. Enu nti na se wo ye panina kwatra konya so. Na se wo make decision a. Eso se decision ya mi make ta frache madwe mu kura na besi me sen. Na mfaso de be na de be mo man da wu ba sa sem o raise yes na Google ohia part abet na Google na wato no. It is not in the case of the Dawu buses. Look, Dawu buses na omo akwaye ubi so obia o metro masa akwaye sabeta fracha bosom na si company ne so bosom say can you full electronics car no so yato no timi hu ne say ya nyen hwehwemu anhwe se car no ye de ba no ebe boa ya kwan ene se ne oman ne weda na ete na de bus aba bibi se o bus ni mu a company no kro ye bus no I say we are de akwa China ana so de akwa Korea na numpo no ebi o ho a suppliers no, and let me state on record 2 suppliers and a Ghana ha omo dealing with those Dawu parts. This is a type of Dawu buses and numpo come on monopolize the market no say no boni Ghana no. Na so mo ban so na se nema no e bia fa ne se ehia ne place requisition say request dey to money mo menua omo betimi akọ China ho aba kwa nema no mo nya me no ka se bans na park no bebre wo kokwa pass no nya e bi o wise wakọ na wa hye ne yetwa ne de amawo e bi o ho ade beba no de hye bas nkran fa na so park bas no na me kire mu se sanye mo we nyina na se yetu anamo na se ye hyehyeye hyehyeye betina mo man na kọ nanimu a eya je ndwe o man no kakra enya de wu benya enya de beko okotokum.
But Mpensenpensenmu say you want to suspect say corruption because so in the purchase of the Dawu buses.
Oh, say it in America say I largely associate with him. Say the 2 mission on sa na say wo dwene na make decision de mo man no a make sure say decision na wo ye de mo man no enko for how any atete say the Dawu bus na de amaye no.
Okay, so ultimately me say bia enye say corruption bia koso but the decision didn't favor or mine.
Of course. Corruption as somebody say be subjective. Gbogbo mu akofa nsem bebre timi na me nko ho me make on the face of acquisition no a ye no say me ka say yewra kufo o hye metro mass ase or the VDL that buses in the chassis and history be catch say sa buses no a stand the test of time sa buses na boa most mahama so ebu okre na su mu metro mass bus e be 09 sa daft buses na ye use to date. Na no other me catch say 2016 Yebra Mahama efia konya so no ye ne Holland based DAF manufacturing company nya kitawudi enti MPP so ba na mo to aso over 2012 to 2024 omo ma Ghana government 100 buses but na grand component bi all and the mainstay of metro mass esa DAF VDL buses no nyesa ka company kagu eti me kana me dia so ne dia so say yet tenas nya kwanya se meso mo man no a eya atoda me anu yen kwan kotuku enwe bus na businessman na kwakofa aba de obenya ba dwene sa de na me de ba no ebe so aba pade amanchiri ma na daache ye yina ekwokotre chira ya ka se oh you are making the right decision ya mo man no.
Okay,
me come ani mo no o hwe me nya ba gift o what issue no a me bra say he wants to believe say GAD say katasishane kankane probia enko so o hwe preliminary reports sabri abeda bonten ayedi hu abubu kakra enokre o my caution statement say sabri no hwakudi attorney general ne ehwehwemu ane court nso nsem tuntimi nkom bebre na no kure nyame anim national service no kure nyame anim eno so akwakoye ohaw kese de amoman Ghana sesa bi akwala betete mu ru ma me betete mu ru hwe ne ba ku school akwala wi school epe akonya asom ne man kobrane officer wote no odwene sa akwala we mfaso be na metime nya ono ho mfaso e be boa mi botom ti se kokoba sa nkwala no mi nya dodo de mi ntwa bi mfamu wo hwe gift award di ya issues ni bi aba no sa 9000 ghost names no a asase di kan ba bonte amfo be kan ho asem aye bi okra no a NSS registration numbers so mu generate ya ye kokko hwe mu akokko form Ghana card ne ade no obi okra onya be 96 years obi kura twemu 100 years na 96 years when national service 100 years when national service ebiem wo hwe report kakra Attorney General ehye ya omode ghost names nipa 9000 deal any eriko koye obronika ne se asiwade twika se asiwade ana se mortgage e fe ne se bank wo hwe ne kofa we na ba ya sa high purchase business no yes obeye no se we national service ni upe TV upe fine upe fridge ya ti asye foforo a wo hia ya de be ma ni atete kakran ye den e de afu sika aban betuade ama bosumi bia sika na mo ya he sika na ya he ye wi achire no company na nkasa enim se ankasa beta frachen ke na brane ye obi dia no ye hwemu a ba ko aya na driver no so ba ko aya na director no na driver around 2022 same company no 9000 ghost names to mutwadi gumu no sika mo draw ya 31 million Ghana cedis 31 million Ghana cedis no Attorney General first report on the by this particular company na me body sorry me allude to you sa company almost transfer 22 million Ghana cedi e dey cause sa company no na me nwe nante Ghana ha sa na me bra ya kaso e no yibo no homodin obi esi obi ani mrobi ababawa atekoa o sha birthday party or to Ghana ha so say the pay ya e dey adwuma sonko eto da wo show obi lifestyle a wo lidia asa wo kura wi ase ne yakese wo asa wo amobra no kura ba kope asa wo de owi ase na wo ba ye no asa e bia asa bi otafra jo be ka so e bia wo fiefo obi na ye ba na nya sa me bra wo ti we so kokko ye adwuma o bank na bi but e bi o to mo tai onko ko da Land Cruiser latest mu ba be hwin se bia MPV ba akonya so no se bi otafra che wa amobra but e bia pepepe ye ani kuredi okodi anso bi ni wani ti ase soroko ye ma ntra won che ene ekum ye man obi bia nipa do na nya akwanya na so mkokotra ba mu a ne de ne se kwan be na mefa so a menko metumi ayeye aye me ho tam na ya kwatra fi wo hwe aban wi mu a omo ankasa krom own party na bre ka ye wura Dr. Bamia asem na opeje ni din na deketa na fine na kwesi ye roba mu ya de obi ka se dada no awo dada no omo mfa ne mra ten de kwa de se ka 2024 se mfa ne mra omo sad ne ba ene wona no aduru leading members of Onuane party ejina mu kura ka se kwan kan kasa MPP amanyo ko fa so bu o man no entwe yi na no ada ba ko aboapa e mo fanse afanse aboapa fo right o say keta se kankan ne proye in the kum party na ko trefi na no live Facebook live na no yewura Kennedy so ma na dia so agbanyan o say yewura Bamia on the worst leader in the history of MPP party na no ada yes yewura Bamia ko pacho o ko pa Ghana for cho say den say Ghana for ye sorry anye ni den na mo anye ni ye wi akira Gabi so say e di etina Bamia ko pacho ti sa chopa ne hu nya na san ko pacho twaminia se enya konya ne yesi enso moman a yenya kumum yemfo do yemfo enya misuru yemfa so moman ni yi na oman Ghana no se sen na nka yewura akwa me nkoma nim se oman Ghana be ya mujidi se na kwa me nkoma yenyane na sosoro ya obedi abrɛho amadekra sika eni yetu na to sei yetu sika pete se Mpensenpensenmu yate Ghana Attorney General ka ensani bebre yakwakoda in court enche bekum sisi leda pa de entontwe na no so da ho ye besen wuram obi biara wanfa kwan papa so obi biara sabita frach mo fokoti kwan yenim se tia Ghana bamra biara mo gidie o yero mampani mo ha mo se nyankopon ya dom a obi anfa no ni tototo
apo aduwe eyo nwanwa se ye kire amanyofo ehye so mo nkoda afiaso obone omo aye ho dodo na ntwa wo mere enwie
na yeden
ni amomo paade
se washa me de minim se aya na de tade sa de ne ba no sabita frache ya bato ne amanyosem pembebre no washa aban bi ho na se ba na se ya chi ne hu nipa de atomu a medina we so aboye wura mahama baso o kai 2016 sabre no menka bushafo yawo bebre aban de obetina fa tikata hye ne proya yesi e boda mfirifiu ye moda mu mfira bonten yewura mahama tijina se obi bia wona ba mu ebe fingaw with issues of corruption bia no obehwese mra no bedi sabre no mempese me boni pakudin the na saboda ene youth employment authority ano ekoba asa aban no susu se ne ma bi nkoyi no aban ka se fa nyamra no emra ni die emene ko wo da afiase enu akiri wa hwe ewura mahama bibia beba se bia fa kata hye kankan ne pro ya breso edikan anamo otu bia no otu wo hwe nua no mo de a obi de na de kura ba asam no ko nhwe mu nyu no mampani aso so da bi ne ho so onko ene bebiri Charles BCD eda ho oman Ghana nko an ye wo mu a yetimi che excavator be 500 na excavator 22 pre na minister we trouble we minister we so trouble na president won timi take action biara
asam ba enso EBS
ena dia ya
Hanabisu say about 31 excavators okochiye oba na ayira
ena na sa wote national anti-galamsey 9 months for no em say wutie general na o class asem
sese
o kire mu say excavators bi aban abreso mo achi ni nara o mo atwini na kwakogu bia bi baka ya ni na no
Hanabisu ko ni 9 months for anko
of course sense na make say hana no
the na 9 months for na be clear
no senye Hanabisu na che machines no
Hanabisu na so ono ne place for
beba wo hwe na monfo na dwuma mo ya approach fo asoja fo BNI fo ene ka no
security campus yeah
into no hana no sabe na working visit to na no ko ye che machines ne di gu ono mo a na se ade a che na so ba na machines ni ho a no che se machine ya zako me no ka sei aban we bo hwe ye che de gu a as we speak ya che about 1200 excavators in the group port nansa
okay
ya twini na dia kogu bema campaign afo ho wonim se Ghana hanko na menua ye the excavator ba Ghana na say port excavator no be do port wa excavator ni free port kwa ye license no DVL inse ni mu bi obi nipa no dia ko afiu aba na hyehyɛ odi aba ne se ansa kura so be import excavator dia ba o man no no ai sa wa Ministry of Transport akoko je permit enye honko a so person do be ye dwuma so be Ministry of Works and Housing eye abankrabata ministries be 9 na ma kabum asabri on be issue sa license and the amenu di kan ebiem aban make sure say ansana de machine bi abo man mu no machine no say sebe tafrache what dey call legal mining na ye the track abo machines no baby ade machine be ko no untimi for machine ni free sa geographical area ho emfa nko baby fufuro bi mu o de ko enya dwuma bi mu de toso mi ansa me no ka say aban we bayi na me hwese ye ina no ese ebo aban we abaso na no ada eye na monfo ya kom asemi wo we na nansa soje panyi oda no aban we hihya waye ene se machines ayachi na no ada ye
okay
so wa check here how much machines more than 600 machines so much be ni na egu
okay
omu we o se chamfine no this time no ya chi ya nya chamfine mani nko ya shi chamfine wo wa ebiem omu ko wura mo se excavator se o ho so ya tu ni control board ana ya tu ni essential part no o time se excavator and the two low bed so na de kwa ya ka de mo man no se excavator use onye yi ni etwa de dia tum Aban we asa nhye dey ato say pickups ne other movable vehicles and as a cars omo acheche e was galamsey read mu nyinara atoni je na famra kwan so na sa pickups ni nyinara ye dey akogu oman akache na ye military for net mi aye den ayusu
okay
ebiem o hwe aban we anamuntu a wotu afa sa enema fa illegal mine ne sa enema upegya ho asemo a won say 2022 obeka ya eni nua no mo adaroma obeka MPP aban o ko fa eye emra bi bae eye LI 2462 no emra sabeta frache ema ankura anakuo bi akwanya etim kokotu agudie o man kwa betum eye forest reserve no obeka ya yewura NDC amanyuko ye campaign ka se ba samra no ye be repeal samra no na me no ka se Muhammad yo se ayoyo ama ne sa ene wode fofora ba repeal emra no ye de ko parliament LI 2501 no na no atime agina so na samra na atime atwam samra no na ewewura kufuaro de ba 2022 a ebo ankofo bi ti se wuntumi a akontan man de tiru asa forest reserve no anunti anamontu a wohwe sabri yewura mahama ene ndisi amanyuku etu a sabe enya na ne yadwene ye ho yadwene daache enchirima ho anamontu ebetumi etu a betuma mo man Ghana etuma fa ntuma papa ya den etumi efra
okay but I say quickly enhwe enkomodi course one Adom FM between me Dr. Hannah Louisa Bisiu on the excavator she video way embrace see excavators na way
me pacho samren na mini lobe ena me frefre na esi o woche ade eche na ka 7 ehona tie ehonum na mini prosini no commander ne kokontokwa no enti wo dia 7 enyan ne dia machi akosio
40 excavators na ochi ya na wunya low bed no ade e be chi onya low bed ko e free 40 abana be ka 7
yes sir
33 etimi efiri nwura mu
yes enti this time na me call at the time no de me the engineers call uniform and non-uniform both military and police call and I miss me share me fi se na no mututu atuo na nsen jomule ambush tina meka se menu na ma minsrohwe oyodi ma funyame enti ya kono ya ye niema wie na engineers no some de tracker bo ho na ma ye na ye ntimi movie a no musoso ehun se ya ye no factory na tracker nka ho enti omombo nimdie esi from no makeka na emesi
87 away
there
7 excavators
me pacho ye 8 the next
okay enti Dr. Hannah Louisa Bisiu National Women Organizer of NDC
yes still
and so what I say is still women organizer
yes so we say national
organizer
in to abide
yeah
do I see me
who a few seconds
yes they say wa clear Hannah issue no
okay.
Because on one obi na no can say excavators na ayi tutu
so
na say anyone that is the problem say at the end too na say etu
na any ho no
wo dey say abutre natural number 2 say geographical area or can say excavators wo call outside the geographical area they are here the buy they didn't bring it. You should go and check his facts, right?
What are you saying?
If you go, and that is why, and I keep on saying this, they are still. Siabutre. I keep on saying this, say, we had to ban, total ban on all mining, all sorts of mining. Yes. When we came in, Siabutre, Japan. On small scale mining because we needed to register everybody. Into your register ubiano when your excavator goes to your more certain radius. If it goes beyond that now, excavator automatically goes off.
Okay.
Because it gives a signal. Our dashboard so on grind. So importation of excavators permission it was MPP. And latter days na yede say in buy Okay, Ram Mahamampo made a comment on it. Say, and I almost say, this thing, when you are importing excavators now, you should seek permission, but not knowing, say, now excavators via Bago port. The people had already, before that law came, no, the law is not ritual.
Okay.
They are walking with him now, way. Apology, okay, I want to say about Dr. Baumiano. Dr. Baumia stated, and they should get it clear, and say, one can say, ye buy no, ye be ye bonu, or say ye juma. But definitely, who ye juma, you step on toes.
Okay.
Example ni tema DDP buy no. DDP buy no, it was a bitter pill. Who can say president go buy out? Can say there will be no haircut. But when we were negotiating with IMF, na ye who say you needed it. It was a bitter pill we had to take, and those are things that are affecting him. And he apologized for it. Okay. Mahama answered no back no. President Mahama answered no back no. You remember he came to apologize to Ghanaians. Say while learning the lessons in opposition into Obama on be repeated. Mebua. He came to apologize to Ghanaians. And they any good leader worth a salt. Okay. So we feel say a Juma wo ye no as a human being. Don't forget. And you obiana a Juma na wo ye no ebe please no.
But I say
it is I'm pleased obia. You make sure say those who were affected no, you apologize to them.
Okay.
And that is the worth of a good leader.
So I have this breaking news for the new Patriotic Party. The former Minister of Communications and Digitalization, former Member of Parliament, a lawyer, Honorable Exla Owusu Ekufu, Eyinti se obepre General Secretary Debre ewo NPP amanyokonim. And so that's the news for you, the new Patriotic Party. The former Minister of Communications, Honorable Exla Owusu Ekufu, so obepre General Secretary Debre ewo NPP amanyokonim. Tienye and so far or no Kokofu and Eugene Wachentry, then Kujia Moses will still maintain a honor. I remember
Dr. China.
Dr. China, so by General Secretary. Okay. You can remember say Robert talk about this. Yes, I'm a quite BM F. Mpensenpensenmu Esmeka say Franco Trading Enterprise. Ebi akani akato se phone papa na himfie ene Franco adweso wo perfume bi se Nokia, Samsung, iPhone sa. Ne ye papa ebeche amount na ne bonso wo from pa no eye Franco Trading Enterprise enkwa na eton biem. Or smart TVs that ranges from 32 to even 100 inches. Okwa akache Franco say ne smart TVs ni binti na waba oba bepe bi ato. Tabletop fridge so na Franco air condition from 1.5 to 2.5 horsepower. No CCTV camera uwa hane tabale kura ebetwu ayu epiem. Oto ade of Franco for app ne so a unya automatic 40% discount. Umpewe na apede friend 0246 422 338 0246 422 338 and at 0555 939 311 0555 939 311. Franco Trading Enterprise still for papa efie and honum. The 100 degrees X wedding so ever 24th October. Here you share our National Theatre. And the 100 degrees X Jumedi, a first of its kind music entertainment experience led by electrifying Kabute, my MC, and unstoppable DJ Wushman. Edibato Kase is opening with a bar happy hour. So what you say? Bar happy hour. You be a bar happy hour not more best 2 hours. So 5 p.m. Not bar happy hour no ashe. As I can say a fiada 24th October 2025. Where you know ni energy about cost you know 200 Ghana cedis. 7 p.m. na show na kasa astarte. Opeso to take it out. That is star 713 star 19 hash. Star 713 star 19 hash. It is Friday we yakwa kwaji ani. Yakwa ni yakwaji what she fiache pie bi 200 Ghana cedis. Oh happy hour ewom. Sounds na o main jam enso ewom. O jiwani a ewiane kete so enna musa at about 200 Ghana cedis. Dial star 713 star 19 hash. neto ticket CCA. When I saw a cinema de bro it's a production by Riverman Production, Oduma Solutions, and the cyber security people of a digital partner somewhere. So MG Digital and 3 Extra. Supported by Joy Prime TV, Joy FM, Hits FM, Adom FM, Adom TV, and Asempa FM. 100 degrees X. You just have to be there. Adom Color Party and so Ebaso. 1st November. Yenshia Ewo Legon Botanical Gardens. Samini is our guest artist. Efanyagro. 1st November. Ebeye brutal.
My point is
on
the national service issue, or make it and it comes back to the digital system.
Okay.
Yeah, you say in some of these things, putting all these things together, there should be an inputter and an approver.
Okay.
In digital systems. Now, Nimpa ebe inputting names near there no. Or bet check it and it will go through all the other checks near there. If you are going to go into details now, we will realize they say, Nyama P Amoka about the national service, who be someone say, where are the details of all these things are Omoka? Because you can't just go and take someone at the top say, oh, we did so much. And when the case came out, you don't forget, someone say, give to one we could do 4 billion. It's court, no, it's not 4 billion again. Almost says 31 million Ghana cedis, other co-millions, there be about 300 and something instead of the 4 billion. Attorney General first day, all reported from your court started here. So, me mesre say Ghanaians yen, and they should be fair to the people involved.
Okay.
Every detail I say yadeba out, no yen fambra out. That we want to see those who are the inputters, those who are the approvers, whether they themselves went to input and approve. Yeah, I want to see all those things. And let us be truthful.
So it should be limited to
It's not.
Okay.
It's not. It can never be. If there's a truth in all these things, it can never be. Because in a system, there was always, the inputter is always different from the approver.
Okay.
And
the share system.
Or the share system, no.
Okay.
On once we find share system, no. On once now, approve say we the share system. No, it doesn't work that way. Until there's always obia a inputter. You have more your code for inputting. Like you have obi for also code for approval.
Okay.
So let us come out with all the fine details, and then we can all sit down and look at it. But now you stop it. Some media judgment. It's not helping the cause of justice.
GALAMSEY now wants to arrest 7 excavators.
Medasi, say, asoma menu raise here because of commercials. So 2017, a buying yard, a stop mining in general.
Small scale
mining.
Yeah, for 2 years.
Well, says for 2 years or 3 years or see in Sunya. So 2017, you could see him for. Who say a grand scheme where you create ya. Amount for live fats on the system at the time. One. My mention of one. Yes, I've been a excavators 500. You could see him. Yes, I've been the other excavators rating nano. Then we see former Central Regional Vice Chairman. A indictee. A then Minister for Environment, Science and Technology. First of all, watching. And yes, I take Pukono indictee. A Charles BC. I'm a presidential staffer at the seat of the presidency. And yes, I believe you. And a young movie, Ghana Association of Small Scale Miners. Sorry, but I say, system no aye yank you say be protected bi no no. Ye gi bi nsase. Bia fa chi go du kwa na de ko. Ti sansam no kwa de mo nka kro ma hye Ghana for yawo. Ene Ghana for bufu. Anya na mo gina mo si 2020 kwa akansi no. Most of the mining communities omu lusu ya. Ye nya a sitting member of parliament run up to 2024. Ye ra Dr. You. Our MP war a friend say is it drabbing? E wa Ashanti region. O say GALAMSEY no illegal no omu ntwaso ne ntwaso chan.
Wanka illegal da.
O say GALAMSEY. O say GALAMSEY. O say GALAMSEY because or see they lost most of the mining communities. And say no na NDC for pay. Eti ne yesre say abanin the needful. Na wan hwe say illegal mining ne be ko from dia omo nya nya no chana. Sasa mukro yam ya wuntumi ya interview no
scale mining.
Small scale miners.
Yes.
Small scale mining, legal mining.
From GALAMSEY.
No.
And that's what he said.
No. Momo dear. Listen.
Say small scale mining.
Send a kind of admonish with a choro.
Mature.
You see, Minia. Ocean Nana, Zebra Mahama, Asia, CSUs. I hope say be Okobi.
The laughable one.
Huh? Ghana, for the first time in the history of Ghana, Association of Small Scale Miners, General Secretary, Yeru Gordon, Ejina Bompany Abaso. I want to share Sabre Bosom Kuni, Abasha Siawaye. Yes, I read, you know. I Central for Kabuku, more presidents. GJ president said I'm with you know. On also Jina Muka say, in fact, so I'm a house, and I'm on 2 way by Netuno. No Kronia meaning, no Wajino. Tobabu are buying up, buying Shen who do. Sasa Kenya say ya, can I GALAMSEY in Ketuna to see? Ye we are no so kwa. Mianka Samini penny can Ashibe. I also do coalition be against illegal mining. On also Jinaba buying Abaso. Ye we are no so kwa. A friend is a coalition of Muslim organization. Rep or buy Ejina Musabo Penny Mahama Baso. Ye we are a Catholic bishop. As I don't go down my friend saying, Roma for Sorin Kabumuku. So Kobia, on who should know Babana, Abaso one idea. And then Ramahama say, Minia, true Attorney General. So on your friend is a Chief Justice, and then Kitamudi. Let's see Timinia special courts. A court of tribunal. Na sa court see a chiwobi because as we speak, Attorney General Dinamu say cases sama file a court be 1,200 cases. Na dia to the hard and so we push case back on. Case be not more than a year or two. Nti no on Chief Justice aka. Sa court of tribunal no ya de beba no. Sa court na djuma di o hwan so amini o hwan Ghana house ye mra mu a. Emre bie ni ho no ma chichiro obi sa asem wei. Ese udi ni be bosome anabosumi anse bosome ansa. And also no mu push di akose. Tribunal yi cases a ebedi efa illegal mining ho no. Etwemu abe bosome nsia ni ade awi. What the na antia so kwa appeal. Sabi aban ni betumi etu anamompa. Ena me no ka say. Sabi. Wo hwe illegal mining dwumadi no mu a. Yeru amahama the commitment level e wosoro. Papa, I saw you also kind of the commitment level. I was so.
How?
What's it how? And now me know can say. More bresso. About 11 forest reserves.
Talk about. Talk about now. What's it? So tell him as what he's done.
Say to be able to solve a problem. We need the antecedent and you can't solve the problem. The root cause on this 11 forest reserve were my bresso. Motana say ya e create ya mudidi mu say no. Those 11 forests are millions and droning. Then saying ya reclaim. I'm a soldier for combined force. Or mine aje reclaim about 9. 2 akai baako ewo atimponuya. Then as I what say soldier nipa ni oda no last 2 weeks. How put you ba hoso so. Sebe ta frache. O man pani so nya committed a. Sa na muntu win no fancy. And na me no san ka say ensi hwa aban we hihya was ade ato no o excavators ya che like I told you so you need na ho kasa che Ghana for na yatwi na dey go be maka mpana for aban we abre so chamfan na ye che a this time yen waste time say dey ko ba bi o kwani a hye chamfan no na mum say excavator na say sabita frache you to no control board and as you to no essential part man we dey be low bed so dey kan hunu be bre yen dey kwani etwa ya to. And then that is why offer titru western north side of Honmoa. We have a report to Abacha saying soon it's
not true.
Oh, it's true.
It's not true.
Oh, did you listen to the doctor? Once you know.
It's not true.
Dan, did you listen to the program?
It's not true.
Once you.
It's not true.
So what you saying to the media?
And I'll show you.
I feel say. Osha be your mind ekwa. Yeru Mahama or Sabaso body so. I believe say yanton so. Shemoma breso amosimo fight illegal mining. Last year, budget amucha modified illegal money was 10 million Ghana cedis.
No, we're trying.
You try 50 million, 2025. Maybe now 2025, 50 million. Yeru Mahama said, "Jina Ghana." 5 times
that.
What's it?
5 times the year try.
Yes. More commitment. You can just 10 million Ghana cedis. No, hold on. Mama breso. Mama breso no. as a hoax, cliche arrangement of fighting illegal mining. No, amoya so dia boa won to me with impunity. Timisi sa go the good television so e check Ghana for say dem ka bia yinti. You be too good now.
It's never true.
What is never true? What is never true? It is true. Hold on, please. No, hold on. Is it not true? Say won to me say go the see television so e check Ghana for say muka kra minti ma to go. Na akonta mining. Listen, akonta mining. Eba ne sana akonta mining timi nya akwan. E ko to gold of forest reserve mu. Ghana what in penny zemda?
Se ne mra ma ho kwan.
Because in 2022 ana mukoko fa LI 2462 no buy 2022
start money war hang parliament.
Yes,
and na NDC both NDC MPP MPs each LI ni two mu.
Na sabre war friends hang parliament and NDC MPP di two mu. Na sabre senior see o hang me wana sabre na parliament na numbers near say 137 plus then
plus one
make it 138 137 na majority ni manocha na
but NDC MPs are boycotting when we are approving the LI.
Yes,
yeah, we approve the LI.
Yeah, GLI na ya ma kwase ko ye mine.
The fact is say am boycott kwa na se 20 October when they din kunim. Na majority
who say na pese hono ko wi say.
Yes,
ye MPs nso te ho.
Yes,
any age sa mara we after reading through. It is a case accusation here.
Minority
from executive to legislature.
No, tia.
Okay.
Minority benya ni say.
Okay.
But majority obenya ni way.
It's not so.
One lay airline to parliament. One go lay. And some people prepare airline no enko cabinet.
Okay, but that's it.
No man pani no. Ade na beda cabinet a wonim say. Oba so obo mo adwapade ho pan no. Na watimi am akwan say regional chairman yen trust as well for it
obviously for message you say good morning. Please tell my brother Alfred we don't use 10 months to fight Galamsey. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama has 4 years to rule Ghana, so he should let the president work and have his peace of mind.
Have we said the president
2 p.m. from Asante?
Have we said the president shouldn't work? My main money no say. Or say yeah, you say 10 million because we are being prudent. The mere fact say we are Galamsey and now we fight Galamsey doesn't mean
10 million Ghana cedis on Galamsey fight.
Yes, doesn't mean say a year. Doesn't mean say go and over budget for people to enjoy.
No. Okay.
We will not do that. We will not destroy their country's finances and go and destroy water bodies. Ayesu River here can say what is the turbidity level? Ayesu River. My friend say Birim River. What is the turbidity level right now? To the extent say even Yakrom, your friends and Yakrom, your friends water treatment, but they had to close it down. When Ashigbe and the rest were at the place and saying that thank you for the mere fact say Catholic bishops Abeka say thank you, just say they approve what you are doing.
Can just thank you.
Almost say you should stop Galamsey and you should stop your friends say mining for some time so that the water bodies will work.
No,
because we are all getting affected. Can Ashbeka can we and wouldn't be there no. G-Tech say the doctorate degree in Bogitanumbo in your papa. Meanwhile, the mates.
I say because of your kind.
No. It's the dada. The dada. Then I should be you say doctor. And yet 1 year, and yet 2 years. Oh, Mamma, so make us we are then you ask your question. Make us over fixed titles. May say, make us we can ask your question. G-Tech started say, oh yeah, fake titles. No. Yes, we all know.
Okay.
Can Ashigbe start to say all kasano? Enye ene. But this time also rekotia your friends a meeting, the CSO's meeting Uncle Siaga. A president to me be na look at and say, just say national security abeka and say, Nzona e wo no enye ansana.
As a president you want
what say mama kasa? What so kasa? Anita we say.
Africa.
Just a national security abeka and say baby edu no obian hu say nsuo no. And yes, I hear you. I am Mahama chocolate. Mahama chocolate. Yes. That's how bad it is. Go and check the rivers. I was driving around there from Yakwabitifi now Yefi Hoba. When you look at both sides, it is my friend said chocolate mixer. Yeah. Say the chef chocolate mix. I say the chef fridge. That is how bad it is. And you come and sit here, you have the audacity to use over 50 million and come and sit here and tell me, say, oh, you've solved the problem, or you are solving the problem. Excavators are that is what when you came, you started doing. In a bisa mo say, but these are things MPP are here. Almost started, they started burning excavators, no mujaye. Before you people stopped it. Everything are things they are repeating. They don't learn. That is what they want to tell us. They are not learning from everything the air course.
Okay.
They should go and read Dr. Baumier's manifesto, and they will see the wisdom in how to fight Galamsey. I'm telling them today, if they want to know how to fight Galamsey, they should go and read it. And you see the wisdom in fighting Galamsey. Ufi say it's now on the book. Go and check their manifesto. They couldn't even write anything about how they are going to, the process they are going to use to fight Galamsey. That is why today, or to make a fresh years, 10 months.
Also the AI.
10 months after being in office. Now we're voting 50 million. Amount who say we don't grow for, we be doing pacha.
No grow for.
Now we and we catch. Oh, massa. I didn't we get sir. 50 million. So when you be 50 million. So when you be Wabo your friend say Yamin any abangadin. Over 3 months, nothing has come, no report has come out of it. And you tell me that you want to fight Galamsey?
Okay.
No reports, 3 months.
But I say, Alfred Thompson, a member of the NPP National Communications Team. Harun Apau, a Deputy Managing Director of Metro Mass Transit, a former Eastern Regional Youth Organizer of the NDC. But from the side of Pemba, a military, a comedian, and I say, production team from light, sound, camera, MC. I will be here.
Fight Galamsey. I will give them the right direction. More. Yes, I will do that.
Ochina, your one-on-one interview be Adom, an exclusive one. Consider Adom TV. Background.